some big dogs rolling in. Aventador SVJ.
Drive safe. See you guys there. Let's go.
Oh, he's shooting flames! Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with my straight pipe BMW M4. And today we're going to be going on a POV drive where we'll be chasing a whole bunch of supercars and other high-end cars. So with less being said, let's hop inside the M4 and get on with today's video. Before we continue on today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Surfshark VPN. For those of you guys who don't know, a VPN is a virtual private network, and Surfshark is an app and browser extension that lets you virtually place your phone, laptop, tablet, or TV in any country. Now this is amazing. Let's take Netflix for example. If you still want to watch your favorite TV shows or movies while you're traveling to another country where they may not be accessible, Surfshark VPN now makes that possible. Or on the flip side, if you want to stay in your home country, like for me, America, but you still want to access other countries' content like TV shows or movies or YouTube videos, like let's say in Japan, then you can do that as well. Not to mention, using a VPN like Surfshark just makes your internet more secure by masking your IP address and making your internet safer from hackers and trackers, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi. So if you guys are interested, use a link in the description, use the code BEAMER for up to 83% off, plus an extra 3 months for free. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so why not try it out and see if it's for you? If less being said, let's get back on the road and get on with today's POV drive. As you can see, we are on the highway, and if you haven't noticed, we changed the colors of the LED lights on the M4 steering wheel. So you can see it is a nice hue of blue that goes into a red, which is really cool. Flashes red as well. I'm loving the new setup, but we recently got a big winter storm, and for the first time in a long time, we've gotten snow here in LA County. So we're gonna go ahead and try and enjoy it safely. The temperature is about 47 degrees out today, so we're definitely gonna have to be careful. It should warm up a bit, but it's gonna be a chilly day. Listen to that. Look at the view up here, the clouds tucking over the mountain. And a car like this to match it. Absolutely love this car. Man. So just like that, we went ahead and made it to Cars and Connections. So let's hop outside the M4 and check out some of these cars. As you can see, we got the M4 parked up, and it is filthy once again. This time, I don't know if you can see, but there are cat prints on the hood of my car. A cat must have gotten into the garage. I don't know, I guess it adds character. And we got some more M's pulling in, some clean ones, all rocking the yellow headlights, which looks cool. Oh, it's like a frozen white. Blacked out is probably my favorite. Man. Nice. There, a red one, another black one. Black is definitely my favorite color on the G80s. I mean, Jesus, they look like little Batmobiles. Man, I love the GT3s as well. You gotta respect the old schools. That is nice. Man, check out this, the wing on this G80 M3. That's a lot of downforce lowered. But man, you can see we got the new M5 based sunglasses from BMW matching the chrome E92 M3, BBS wheels on it. I think this one's supercharged, and performance seats, roll cage. Wow, this is really nice. We got our coffee, man. It's an early morning, so I had a long night last night, and this coffee is gonna really help us out to really be focused up and dialed in for today's drive. Got a nice red Aston Martin, and you got what is essentially competitors right next to each other: F90 M5 Comp and the AMG GT63S. I mean, which one you guys taking? I'm personally going with the F90 all day. This is decent as well. I mean, nice wheel setup on it. Got red interior. Damn, this McLaren's got a baby seat in it. Oh, this is cool. Crazy looking GTR, like a yellow oranges color on it. Big ass wing. There's a clean old school Porsche right there as well. Got some big dogs rolling in. Looks like an AMG GTR. Clean M2 CS. I had to bring the gold medal from the M Performance Driving School out here to be with the M's where it belongs. Oh, nice V10.
Love the channel, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. You guys gotta let me know which one is your favorite out of this group. It's tough, man. I'm probably gonna have to go with this black M4 coupe. Aventador SVJ sounding really good downshift and pulling in. This is sick. Gotta love the 992s though. Ooh. Little love tap.
I want us to have a good time, drive safe. We have a lot of horsepower here. We have a lot of younger drivers, the more experienced drivers. I want everyone to have a good time. See you guys there. Let's go.
So as you can see, everybody's heading out, hopping inside their cars. We're gonna get on the road and do the same. Damn! Oh my God. Jeez, that McLaren sounds wild. Oh my gosh. This is that McLaren that was making all that ruckus, all that noise. It sounds so good. Gentlemen, we are back in M-Town. Just look at my rearview mirror right now. That is crazy. Oh, look at the Huracan. Everywhere. We're gonna see if we can catch up to that Lamborghini. I think it has an exhaust, so let's see if we can hear that thing. Oh, you can see flames. Wow. Oh, there goes Song and M6. Love his license plate, M Sexy. Oh, he's shooting flames. Okay, now look at this sight. An SVJ with 3 F90 M5s, 1 stock. My goodness. Sick. Goes a nice F90 M5 as well, all white. Gotta say, love the spec on this one, man. That is really cool. It's like a satin white with brushed aluminum wheels. I think a minivan was just revving right there. Oh my God. You guys join us inside the dealership. We're gonna have a nice assortment of Porsches here, different colors, kind of like skittled assortment, orange, blue. This right here, Ruby, I think Ruby Star Red, or a 992 GT3, perfect spec, I would say. Love these new tail lights, spoiler. And also, just check out the wheel setup with this color combo. I must say, this is one of the coolest dealerships I've been to. I've been to a lot. I've been to Bugatti dealerships, but I've never really seen one this expensive. It's almost like a museum. You know, you take your car here, you have coffee while it gets serviced, and you really get to enjoy probably one of the coolest Porsche dealerships probably in the world, definitely in America. And then you look outside, you have all these cars parked up. Apparently this event happens once a month, so if you guys are interested, this is a really cool event. So obviously we have the whole showroom up here, but below us we have a whole glass floor. A nice Porsche just sat there. It's kind of weird walking over it. Oh, this is cool. So we were just upstairs and now we're downstairs, and here is that car we saw through the floor. Proper car if I've ever seen one. 97 Porsche GT1, looking really good. I like the spec on it as well. It's nice livery, gold wheels, really classic. Man, look at this RWB wide body 911. I mean, just Jesus Christ. This is probably one of the coolest wide body kits of any car. Gold wheels, windshield banner to match. I mean, this is just such a beautiful color. I believe it's the same color on the GT3 RS's, violet purple or something like that. Really cool color. And we have another 918 Spider. They had a green one outside, but we get to see it kind of up close. This one's red. Just look at all that carbon above the headrest, on the seats as well, all the interior. The whole door panel is also carbon fiber. This thing is just, wow, really something to behold in person, not to mention the exhaust right behind the headrest. So I believe it's a hybrid V8 or V10, I can't remember which, but they have all these displays. You can read all about these specific cars. Wow, look at this one right here, this white one. Porsche 956. Wow, just clean and white. I probably wouldn't put any kind of livery on this if I had one. It's wild. It doesn't even look like a real car. You see over here, there's a nice GT4 RS. We've seen a couple of these on the channel. Not this up close, this kind of spec. I mean, carbon hood, mirrors. It's got the full carbon package on this car. You can see the intakes right here. So cool. And next to that, we have a nice GT3 RS, Miami blue. GTR, like a cop car. This is cool, right-hand drive and everything. Oh, this is a vibe. And next to that is the R34 wagon. Wow, look at the color. You can see the more typical purple, but this one's like a metallic. Never really seen this color on any car before. It's really cool. One of my all-time favorite M cars right here, the M5 CS. And you can just see the wheels. Not to mention the whole interior has 4 carbon bucket seats inside of it. And the design on this car, such a good looking car. So that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.